Hi, I'm Steve Smith, the President and CEO of Enertech Global. My wife and I were founders of the company back in 1996, and we are located in Greenville, Illinois, with our manufacturing facility in Mitchell, South Dakota. Really never had any aspirations to start our own business. I would come home and tell Karen that there's so many things outside of my control that I can't change, and to take care of our customer friends, I felt that the obligation was for us to start a business so we could focus on them and not focus on other issues, and that was really the catalyst to us starting Enertech. We want our systems to last for 20 to 30 years. So what we focus upon is how to make geothermal better, that are more service friendly, more installation friendly, durable and reliable, that will last that 20 and 30 years. Enertech Global builds some of the best products in this business, but that is just a piece of what it is about. It's about ongoing commitment to each other. It's partnerships with our dealers. And for us to truly understand what they need, it takes more listening than talking. We need to listen to what our customers need and deliver what they need, and not just in product, but also in services and other things we provide, design application, maybe accessories, whatever that is what they're looking for us to deliver. And that constant communication is really what makes the difference between us and our competitors.
Homeowners and commercial owners of geothermal systems, whether they're putting it in their building or putting it in their home, they deserve a product that is reliable, that's quiet, that's safe, and that also hits the efficiency standards that we have set forth. As these machines go down the line and as they're all fabricated and put together, they have to surpass and go through the testing stations, and each individual station has its own testing. So ultimately it will go through a helium leak detection system, and then that goes through a computerized testing module to make sure that that system does not have any leaks and it's all ready to go right out of the box. In fact, even beyond that, we surpass any of the standards that are out there with regards to running that system in the heating and cooling modes to ensure that that system has been completely run tested before it leaves our factory. Anytime that Enertech puts forth the effort to not only build the best machine in the country, we like to carry that all the way through to the installing contractor. So as a building owner or as a homeowner, we want to make sure that that system's put in properly. That is incumbent upon us to make sure that we have the leading industry training that makes sure that ultimately the system's done right and it's serviceable for years to come, bringing peace of mind for the customer. Home means so many things to so many different people, but the way that Enertech and our management team not only care about our employees, we take that same level of care and concern for our customers. And ultimately, we want to see them take that same care and concern and passion to the homeowner or to the building owner. So when you wrap all of this up together, it is one powerful relationship that can go on and on for many, many years to come. Enertech Global is proud to be under the umbrella of the NEBA Industrial Group, the world's largest geothermal heating and cooling manufacturer. With NEBA's support, still built in the heartland of America, we have been able to see many advancements technology-wise from the standpoint of compressor isolation technology, as well as having the backing to be able to continue to move our advancements forward.
At Enertech, our goal has always been quality first. And in the industry over the years, we've had a lot of plaguing problems such as formicary corrosion, which is causing air coils to fail prematurely, very premature, maybe 3 to 5 years in. when a homeowner's expecting or a building owner's expecting 20-year life expectancy out of the product. And so when we became a manufacturer, some of the things that we really looked at from the beginning was quality first and solving industry issues such as that formic area corrosion or compressor failures, or just making products more easy and flexible for installation. What we decided to do right off the bat was make a multi-positional product, which makes it easier for our distributor customers because now we can take 4 SKUs down to 1 SKU for inventory reasons. And then it also makes it really helpful for the contractor because when they get a product out in the field, in the past they would have to order it a specific way, whether it's a left-hand return or a right-hand return. Well, with our products, we made it so that if you get out into the field and you ordered a left, well, it's left or right. And so now I can look at the job, and if there's a certain scenario where maybe I need it to be the other way, I don't have to go back and order a different one. I can reverse that unit or change it in the field. One of the benefits to a geothermal heat pump is it's located indoors. The downside to that is it's now, you have a compressor that's within the living space of the home. With our partner Niva Industrial, their products in Europe are sitting in the kitchen, so they have to be extremely quiet. And so because our parent company uses this technology called elastomeric anti-vibration pads, and that reduced the product from the XT to the YT by about 50% in decibels. And we're the only manufacturer that offers standard in all of our products a high-density closed-cell foam for cabinet insulation. Our products that we engineer and design here at Enertech for the homeowner and for business owners, number one, are always going to be at the highest efficiencies. Going to be very quiet, and when we engineer product, we want to make sure that it's the most serviceable for our contractors, the most installation friendly, so that way not only is it more cost friendly for the end user, both for service and of course up front.
All of the rigorous testing and standards that we have for our equipment ultimately is for the customer, so that we can ensure that they have peace of mind with that product.
We're very passionate about our customers and about taking care of them and making sure that they have everything that they need and having a lot of fun along the way.
At Enertech Global, we believe in family values, and that's what drives our decisions. That's what drives our passion. That's what drives our craftsmanship. That's what drives everything we do all day, every day. And that's what makes Enertech different.